Surfshark coupon code 2025. Black Friday deal plus honest Surfshark VPN review. Stop searching for expired codes. You landed on this video because you need the Surfshark coupon code 2025. Here is the simple truth. You don't need a code. You need the Black Friday deal link below, which is giving you the biggest discount of the year right now. That link gets you up to 87% off the 2-year plan, plus 3 extra months absolutely free. This is the cheapest price all year, guaranteed through Cyber Monday. So, is Surfshark actually worth your money in 2025? Here is the honest review. Yes, and here is why. First, the huge selling point. Surfshark still offers unlimited simultaneous device connections. Protect your phone, your laptop, your parents' tablet, the smart TV. Everyone is covered for that one low Black Friday price. Second, speed. Thanks to the WireGuard protocol and new server upgrades, Surfshark is lightning fast. We're talking about great performance that easily handles 4K streaming, gaming, and big downloads without any of that annoying buffering. It reliably unblocks Netflix and other streaming sites worldwide. Third, value. For only a few cents more per month, you can upgrade to the Surfshark One plan. This gives you the top-tier VPN, plus a powerful antivirus and dark web monitoring. Getting all that for under $2 a month is an incredible deal. This Black Friday promotion is a limited time sale that won't last. Don't pay full price next month. Click the official discount link in the description right now and secure the best price on Surfshark before the Cyber Monday deadline.